You know that moment when you open your investing app and you see that everything is red? Your heart drops, right? Just like today, October 10, 2025. You think, should I sell before I lose it all? Have been there. That is the moment that separates a trader from an investor. Welcome to today's Coffee and Learn session. I am Victoria, investor, soldier, wife, and mom. And I am documenting our family's journey to a $1 million portfolio, 5 Bitcoins, and 50 Ethereums. Every week, we'll talk about money, mindset, and building something steady for our families. So, refill your mug, take a breath, and let's talk about the difference between trading and investing. So, what is trading? For me, trading is like running sprints with your money. You're constantly checking, you're reacting, you're jumping in and out. Some people love that. But to be honest with you, that's just a rush. But for some of us who are juggling work, kids, and 1,000 things that life is throwing at us, it is exhausting. Investing, on the other hand, is like a marriage. It takes commitment, it takes patience, and long-term love, which means you're buying ownership in companies that fit your values. Think of companies that you know, Target, Disney, or Procter & Gamble. Those that, we go shopping there, we buy toothpaste, toothbrush from there. Those companies, you're letting them grow over time. But when it comes to trading, traders, they try to catch every short-term wave, up today, down tomorrow. Investors, on the other hand, they ride the tide and trust the process. When I first started, I thought I had to be glued to the charts. With my busy career and family, that is like literally impossible for me. Then I realized I could just buy good companies, keep adding to them, and live my life and focus on the things that matter the most: my family and my profession. That was such a relief when I changed my mindset. So, without worrying every day about what the market did today or tomorrow, I was able to breathe a little easier. And that's what investing does to you. If this helped you breathe a little about investing, go ahead and subscribe and join me in the next Coffee and Learn session, where we talk about what the stock market really is and why it even exists. See you next time.